thank you guys for joining in. I apologize I've been on a hiatus there for a little bit, but I'm glad to be back. And today what we're going to be talking about here is VPNs, the use of them, and whether or not it would be good for you to use a VPN. So firstly, what is a VPN? A VPN is a virtual private network. So most companies like banks, anything financially related or anything federally regulated has that added layer of security, if you will, by using a VPN. So a VPN essentially just will not share any of your data history with your internet service provider. So it keeps everything locked up, so that way there's no prying eyes. A VPN works by having servers in multiple locations that send your data to and from those servers. The best and most well-known VPNs that are currently out there are going to be ExpressVPN and NordVPN. Both awesome VPN networks. ExpressVPN, a little bit more costly. NordVPN, you definitely get more bang for your buck. I personally like ExpressVPN better, but I usually use NordVPN just for the cost benefit there. So they got some specials going on. I'll also link those in my description below so you can see the best deal out currently for NordVPN. ExpressVPN is also doing a special promotion right now. This is live on their site, so you can just go to expressvpn.com to take advantage of that. Now, a VPN, do you need one? So if you do a lot of torrenting, if you do a lot of internet things of which you may not want people or prying eyes to see, it would be, of course, wise for you to use a VPN. You can use them on multiple devices, so you can use them on your mobile phone, your laptop, your tablet, any internet connected device. You can use it. Very easy and simple to use. Now, are there drawbacks to using a VPN? In certain cases, depending on which VPN you go with, it could slow down your internet speeds. However, if you use one of the more mainstreams, again, such as Express NordVPN, you won't really notice the speed difference there in terms of your internet connection. But definitely if you're doing any kind of torrenting, any kind of downloading of which copyright content, anything like that, or if you're just in some running a business, you have personal documents or you have personal files that you're always dealing with, and you just want that extra layer of security to keep it away from prying eyes, definitely a good choice to have a VPN. If you have any questions in regarding to VPNs, you certainly can leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer those questions for you. But I thank you for taking the time here to watch this quick video in terms of VPNs. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, lots more tech videos that I will be posting here, so definitely make sure to subscribe there, and I greatly appreciate all the support and feedback, and I look forward to making more videos. Stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.